This is how to change the key battery on your Mitsubishi. This is Outlander PHEV, but as long as your key looks like that, 2 or 3 buttons should work for you. Keyless entry type. If you're completely flat, you need an emergency key, physical key to get in. So with this slidey thing, just slide it across and there's your physical key. Now you can open the door and get in, open the bonnet, put your jump leads on, whatever you need to do. Now then, to separate the key, you're gonna need a little tiny screwdriver or a decent fingernail, which I haven't got, so that's why I've got a screwdriver. You can see there's a little tiny slot. So what I'm gonna do, take a little tiny screwdriver, pop it in there, twist, and open, revealing your CR 2032 battery. So here's one I prepared earlier. I'm going to use this because, like I say, I have no nails. Just get that in there, slide that in, get rid of that, we don't need that one, and get your new one. Simply slide it in. It says simply. There we go, that's in. Line the back up. Clickety click. Pop your key back in. And you're done. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.